much, Rhea. I'm tired. What do you want us to do?
We are already nearing lunchtime. Why don't we get a pizza? You have to wait for a few minutes until I get you the pizza. The pizza is ready. Let me get the pizza cutter and let you share it equally among the 4 of you. Here it is, guys. You can take it now. We had 1 pizza and 4 of them shared the pizza. Each one got a slice of the pizza that was exactly 1/4 of the whole pizza.
What does 1/4 mean?
Well, let me explain. We had 1 pizza, and I cut it into 4 equal pieces. The 4 pieces together make it 1 pizza, and each piece is called 1/4 of a pizza.
I got it now. So if you split one whole product into multiple slices, I guess we call it this way.
This is represented as 1/4.
Did you say 1/4?
Exactly. That's what I said.
That's funny. I've never seen a number written like that. What kind of number is that?
Well, actually, it's not 1 number, but 2 numbers. The expression is called a fraction. In every fraction, there is a number at the top and a number at the bottom, separated by a line. The number at the top is called the numerator.
What's that? What?
Numerator.
Okay, now I got it. Numerator.
Yes, that's right. The number at the bottom is called the denominator.
Rick, you need to go slow. Tell that again, please.
Sure. It's the denominator.
I got it now. Denominator.
Exactly, Raghu. You got it.
Okay, guys, let me show you how this works. We got 1 whole pizza for the 4 of you. We split the pizza into 4 equal parts. Each one of you took 1 piece. So, everyone got 1/4 of the whole pizza. Here, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4 and is written as 1/4.
That was a good explanation, Rhea.
When the numerator is less than the denominator, then the value is less than 1.
But what is less than 1?
Well, in a fraction whose value is less than 1, it means it is more than 0 but less than 1.
Okay, it's a little confusing, but I'm getting it. In our case, we had 1/4 of a pizza, which is shown as 1/4. We know it's less than 1 because none of us had a whole pizza.
Yeah, but it was more than 0 because you had a slice.
Okay, that's all I can handle now. Can I go and get some of my friends now?
Sure, Rangu, go ahead. We'll have something else to play.
Thank you, Rhea.